हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ऐसा ही मैंने क्वेश्चन एक कल भी अपलोड किया, कल कल परसों भी अपलोड किया था। मैंने डाला हुआ है यूट्यूब पे। ऐसा ही सेम क्वेश्चन जेई मेंस में, मतलब रिपीटेटिव है। सिर्फ थोड़े से मास और अलग है, मास वास अलग है, बाकी क्वेश्चन सेम ही है। मतलब सेम कंसेप्ट कन्वे किया गया है। सेम, उधर भी स्क्वायर था, इधर भी स्क्वायर है। उसमें उधर उधर तीन, हाँ ऐसे ही कुछ था। स्क्वायर है, उसमें भी मास थे कुछ ऐसे ही मास, मुझे भूल गया थोड़ा सा। ऐसा ही था मगर वो, तो उसमें भी मास थे, इसमें भी मास दिया गया। तो हमें निकालना, उसमें क्या था, इसमें भी फोर्स निकालना, उधर भी शायद फोर्स दिया गया था। उसमें पता नहीं एक्स ऐसा कुछ कुछ था, कुछ वैल्यू निकालनी थी, मुझे भूल गया। तो ये क्वेश्चन कुछ ऐसा है। फोर पार्टिकल हैविंग मास M 2M 3M and 4M are placed at the four corner of a square of edge. We have a four masses M, 2M and 3M, 4M that was placed at a corner of like this. I am going to draw a figure. This is a square and four masses are placed M, 2M, 3M, 4M like this. Find, हमें क्या करना, we need to calculate, find the gravitation force acting on a particle of mass M placed at a center from here to here and here. This is a diagonal, and another particle of mass M placed at a center. We need to calculate the force at the center of a particle that placed in the center of a square. So, and this side will be a, from here, this is a 90 degree, this is a 90 degree, and this is a, from here this is a 45 degree. Then the side is equals to root a by root of 2. You all are know this result. You must remember this result. Lot of question asked in JEE mains paper in electrostatic, in magnetism, and circular, COM, and rotational motion. Lot of question asked on a square, and we need to remember this result. The diagonal passes through a center of a sphere. The length of that side is will be a by root 2. So I am going to solve from here. The force exerted are in it is equals to gm square upon r square from here to here. This force, and this is equals to 2gm square from here. This is 2m and m. That's why m square upon r square. A square, sorry. This side will be a square, a, and this is a, this is a, this is a. You know a by a, the edge, the corner of edge a. The length of a square is a. If this is a, this is also a, because this is a square. So from here F2, which is equals to 2m. The mass will be a force 2 is equals to 2m. So here 2 into g into 2m square upon a square, which is equals to 4 g m square upon a square. Are you get it? So F3, the mass of force 3 will be 3m. From here g 6m square upon r square. So for 4, which is equals to 8gm square upon a square. So from here f net, which is equals to f3 minus f1, f3 minus f1. So here 6gm square upon r square minus 2gm square upon r square, which a square or r square एक same things, which is equals to 4gm square upon 4gm. Sorry, I am right here. I am going to write here 4gm square upon a square. So f4 minus f1, which is equals to 8gm square upon a square minus of 4gm square upon a square, which is equals to 4gm, which is equal to 4g upon a square. So magnitude of force will be F net magnitude root of 4g m square upon a square plus 4g m square upon a square, which is equal to, the final result is equal to this one, and this will be a force. You know force, the value of 5.66 gm square upon a square. This is a force. This is the final result of this question. थैंक यू. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू सो मच.